Okay, so today we're going to talk about radians. Okay, so radians is important in trigonometry. We've been dealing with degrees, right? So measuring arc lengths by degrees, central angles by degrees. We can also measure these angles using another unit of measurement that's common in trigonometry called radians. Okay, so now to set this up, we have to define what a radian is. So a radian is a measure of arc length. Specifically, it's the measurement that if we take the radius of a circle and we intersect an arc length that is equal to the radius of the given circle, then we call the angle measure of the central angle 1 radian. So here's an example. So we have a circle with radius r, and again we intersect the arc with the central angle, and the measure of this arc is also the same as the radius. Then we would say that the measurement of this central angle is 1 radian. Okay? And we abbreviate that as RAD. So in how many radians does it take to go all the way around the circle? So if we start at this point and we go 1 radian, and we keep going and we keep marking off radians all the way around, how many radians is it going to take to get back to where we started from, to basically do 1 revolution around the circle? Well, it turns out that it's going to be 2 pi times. So we know that it takes about 2 pi radians takes 2 pi radians to do 1 full revolution, okay, or approximately 6.283 radians. Okay, but this is the exact, since pi is an irrational number that just keeps going on. So we know it's 2 pi radians. It is a full revolution. But also in degrees, remember, a full rotation of circle is 360 degrees. So we know that 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees, which is also gives us that pi radians equals 180 degrees as well. Okay, so this gives us a way to convert easily from degrees to radians and radians to degrees. And so if we divide both sides by pi, we find that 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees over pi. Okay, and so this is information that's going to be very helpful in helping us to convert and go from degrees to radians and radians to degrees. Okay, see you next time.